Hi guys, so today I'm going to show you guys how to mend your broken face mask straps so that you can stop constantly repurchasing face masks, which are right now absolutely hard to find. Now, to mend your face mask, you're just going to need a needle, thread that matches the colour of your face mask, and scissors. And to basically mend your face mask, you're just going to take your needle with your thread prepared and you're just going to sew the strap back onto the fabric of the face mask. It's just simple as that. Just in and out, sewing in and out, back into the fabric of your face mask. And when you're happy and you feel like you've sewed your straps back on securely, cut your thread where you can still hold it with your fingers and do that end of sewing knot that you usually do after you sew, that final knot that you do when you finish sewing. And after that, just cut off your excess thread and there you have it, your face mask is mended. Now I'm going to do the same thing on the other side. Again, it's just normal sewing, in and out, in and out. We were very lucky that we bought these face masks when before the shop started closing, and we've been able to maintain our original face mask just by this method of just sewing the straps back onto the face mask. Just cut off your excess thread and there you have it, your face mask is mended. And as you can see, these are all of our face masks that we have mended and kept since the beginning, since lockdown started. And yeah, this is how you will maintain and save yourself some money, because these face masks as well are getting expensive. So maintain them by just sewing them back on, guys. I hope this video was very helpful. Take care of yourselves and stay safe. Thank you for watching. Bye guys.